All right, now I want you to go over to the elevations page. Look at your index right here on the left and find the elevations page. You'll usually have two pages for the elevations most of the times for that one given building. Now we're always working on type 1 building, okay? Because you're gonna have an exterior elevations for the leasing office, okay? You're gonna have exterior elevations for a lot of different things, but right now we're talking about this building type 1. Now I'm building type 1, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open both elevations. All right. As soon as you open the elevations, what I'd like you to pay attention to is basically the page and the format of it. You'll find that here there is a detail about this wing of the building, and we're going to find it on detail number 2 on page A2.13. Then we're going to have this right here. Okay, you see this line that goes through this building? That means that if we go on page 3, on detail number 3, page A3.31, or we go on detail 4 on 3.32, A3.32, that means that we're going to be able to find a section. A section is going to show us the way that building is layered from the inside wall all the way to the outside wall. This is going to allow us to find the structural components of it, the non-bearing wall components of it. So we're going to know if it's being built with wood, with wire lath, and then stucco, or if it's going to be blocks, bonding agent, and then stucco, or whatever the case might be. All right. Now keep in mind that this plans is only 75% done, because on this email that the client has sent us, we only have 75% of the permits ready. So there's gonna be details missing, okay? But for the purpose of this video, we're going to look at the page and basically analyze of it. So here's our grade. Okay, these details right here from 0 to 8, this tells us that from this point to this point is 8 feet, to this point is 11. Okay, and so on to 46 feet to 52 feet. So if we know that it's going to be 52 feet to the very top, I know that that's the type of scaffolding systems I'm going to have, or machines that I'm going to have. Okay, now why is it important to know how many windows or how many doors, or the elevations? Because this is going to allow us to estimate, okay, how many components to our exterior wall assembly we're gonna have. So I'm gonna show you guys how to set up this estimate properly so that you remove the guessing work. Okay, same right here. All of our information for the most part is going to be right here on these drawings. You guys are looking at them.